What's up guys, and this is insane. I kid you not. Samsung has just made an insane oopsie as we speak. We have the official look of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in the brand new copper gold color. For some reason, this is on the Russian Samsung.com page and it's about the Galaxy Note 8, but when you scroll down, we have this Galaxy Note 20 Ultra render. Like, I'm pretty sure the guy who's managing this will probably gonna get fired, but wow, this is insane. The next big Note phone in its full glory. As I said it many times, that the final thing is actually a lot better than the initial leak, and this is so true with the Note 20 Ultra. This looks so much better than the Galaxy S20 Ultra, not only because we have more exciting colors, but just look at how great it looks with all the detail to the lenses. In this copper gold color, you can see that the camera bump has kind of a brown touch to it, and then the individual camera has this gold ring, so that confirms that every Galaxy Note phone will have color coordinated rings. So if you go for the green version, you'll have those green rings around it, and really Samsung did put a lot of effort in this design, and in my opinion it is so much better than what we have seen with the Galaxy S20 family. The S Pen is also color coordinated. I have to say it looks really good in this color. I'm definitely gonna get the Note 20 Ultra in this variant. Now, as for the specification, this is what we're gonna be seeing on the Galaxy Note 20/Note 20 Ultra. Obviously, Samsung is giving the periscope zoom, the brand new 50x periscope zoom to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. We have the main 108 megapixel HM1 sensor. This is similar to the Galaxy S20 Ultra, but now it is completely fixed thanks to the new autofocus assist sensor on the side of it. You can probably see the red thing on the right hand side, so it's probably that. And then of course there's LED flash and the ultra wide angle lens. We also have some case leaks regarding the Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Ultra, again further confirming that we indeed have the big camera bump and the big camera gains specific for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra model, or Note 20 Plus, whatever the final name will be, whereas the Note 20 cutout shows that the camera sensor will most likely be similar to the one on the Galaxy S20. So there you have it, the Note 20 Ultra in its full glory. There's actually nothing crazy about the front of the phone because it's going to be very similar to how the Galaxy Note 10 looks. So you're going to have the punch hole in the middle and an edge display for the Note 20 Ultra, whereas the normal Note 20 will get a flat display. The big deciding difference compared to the last year model will be the 120Hz LTPO HDR10 display that's going to be exclusive to the Note 20 Ultra. Also, we have another breaking news coming from China's 10S certification showing off the design of the Galaxy Z Flip 5G. According to the news source, Samsung may be using the brand new ultra wide angle camera sensor on the Galaxy Z Flip 5G, a bit different from the 10 megapixel of the original Z Flip, so it's a bit of a change there. And yeah, more or less it looks the same, but yeah, this is the Z Flip 5G version that is coming with Snapdragon 865 Plus chip actually, which is gonna be in a lot of Samsung phones like the Fold 2, Note 20 family, and even the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. So yeah, that's all the breaking news. This is what I wanted to cover really quick. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, what you think about the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra in its official look coming from Samsung's own website. I just don't understand how can they make this kind of blunder, but it is what it is. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.